Hi, I am Guillermo del Toro, and I'm here to show you a sneak peek behind the scenes of Pacific Rim.
Pilot-to-pilot connection. Engage.
One of the very original ideas that have grown from this movie is the way the two pilots and the computer interact is through what we've come to call the drift.
We tried to come up with ways of showing that was original. In order for the two bodies to be able to act as one, they need to share memories, instincts, fighting styles, and be able to become essentially one. You're fused with the machine.
And a machine this large, the idea that one person could control the entire machine, it seems slightly too superhuman.
The neural load to interface with the Jaeger proved too much for a single pilot. A two-pilot system was implemented. Left hemisphere, right hemisphere, pilot control.
Initiating launch operations.
Prepare for neural handshake.
Initiating neural handshake.
When you strap into the Jaeger, there's a preliminary stage where you try to sort of merge your consciousness with the other pilot.
When you drift with someone, you create an incredibly poignant connection. Both pilots can see all of each other's memories and all of each other's secrets and information in each other's brains.
Every memory, good, bad, everything, they become one.
Two pilots engaged in neural bridge.
When you are drifting, you go into silence. You don't think, and you try to not latch into a memory.
You see exactly who they are, you know, that you can't hide at all in the drift.
You have to know that the other pilot is going to know everything about you, good or bad. You have to be prepared to let somebody literally peek into your soul and peek into your head.